Kimani, Nairobi.
Na mkuu wa polisi Hilary Mutyambai amezungumza na wanahabari ya dhuhuri ya leo kuhusiana na mipangilio ya usalama wakati wa sherehe za Pasaka. Mutyambai ameingia ofisini idara ya usalama ikabiliwa na matatizo ya hapa na pale, tukio la kuwateka nyara madaktari wa Cuba huko Mandera likiwa gumzo kubwa humu nchini.
We wish to inform that the National Police Service has taken necessary arrangement to provide public safety and security to all citizens countrywide. We therefore call upon Kenyans to cooperate with police to ensure that tranquility prevails throughout the holidays. Most fatalities caused by road traffic accidents are prevalent during Easter and December holidays. For instance, in the last 3 years, a total of 100 people died during Easter festivals. The main cause of this has been overspeeding and unroadworthy motor vehicles, which form the major cause of the road accident during this period. To avoid accidents on our roads, public service vehicles are required to adhere to traffic rules and avoid overspeeding and overloading. It is important to note that motorcycles, commonly known as boda operators, are not exempted from this. Traffic Police and National Transport Service Authority, NTSA, will be available to enforce the law and provide any necessary assistance